Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio and JDK installed, Firebase CLI signed in, and a Firebase project created. Next, register your Android app with the Firebase console using the exact package name, download Google Services, JSON, and place it in app/Gradle. Once done, add the Firebase BOM to app-level build. Gradle so dependencies align, and apply the Google Services plugin. This ensures Gradle can resolve Firestore libraries and link your app to the Firebase project. Now configure Firestore itself. Add the Firestore dependency using the Firebase BOM, then sync Gradle. In your application class, call Firebase app. Initialize app this so Firebase is ready before activities start. Once initialized, get a Firebase Firestore instance, Firebase Firestore. Get instance. Use settings to enable persistence or set cache sizes if offline use is required. For structured data, create model classes and use collection/document paths consistently. This avoids schema confusion when reading or writing. Finish by implementing reads and writes. Use document reference. Set for known ID and collection. Add for auto ID. For real-time updates, attach snapshot listeners. For single reads, call get and handle tasks asynchronously. Once your flows work, test security rules and create composite indexes in the console if queries fail. If something breaks, double-check Google Services. JSON is in the app module root, confirm package name and SHA1, and inspect Logcat for Firebase exceptions. These steps resolve most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.